Welcome to the Atomberg Smart Lock experience. In this video, we are going to understand how to connect the SL1 to the Atomberg Home app. First, open Atomberg Home app. To pair your smart lock, make sure it is in the on state and the keypad is lit up. Click on Add Device to add a smart lock, after which the device begins a search. After a brief search, smart locks nearby will be visible on the screen. Select the smart lock with which you want to pair and wait for the pairing process to commence. After pairing is successful, enter your lock name and room name and click on Save. Congratulations! You have successfully added the device. This newly added device should be visible on the home screen. Next, click on the smart lock device. Here, the Bluetooth icon verifies the connection. You can now unlock the smart lock by swiping the handle down on the application. The lock reverts to its original state automatically after 5 seconds of unlocking. To view the various functions of smart locks, tap on Settings. Let's click on the pin section, which has 4 options: permanent pins, guest pins, periodic pins, one-time pins. Permanent pin, the pin for family members, which will be used on a daily basis. To set a permanent pin, follow these steps. Click on Permanent Pin. Click on Add to create a new permanent pin. Enter the name and password for the pin. And finally, click on Add. Your permanent pin has been added successfully. Now let's set the guest pin. A guest pin is the one that you can enable for a limited time period for guests to use. Once the specified time period is over, the pin will not open the door. Here are the steps. Click on Guest Pin, then click on Add to create a new guest pin. Enter the name and password for the pin and the start and end dates for a particular time period. Click on Add. Your guest pin has been added successfully. A periodic pin can be set for a specific day and time of the week. Follow these steps to add the pin. Click on the periodic pin. Click on the Add to create a new periodic pin. Enter the name and password for the pin. And the start time and end time for active days. Proceed to select active days. Finally, click on Add. Your periodic pin has been added successfully. A one-time pin can be used once only and ceases to be functional afterwards. Click on One-Time Pin and then Add to create a new one-time pin. Enter the name and password. And then click on Add. Your one-time pin has been added successfully. Go back to Settings to learn how to add a fingerprint to the smart lock. Fingerprint locks use fingerprint matching technology to identify whether the person is permitted to unlock or not. Click on Fingerprints. Tap on Add to add a new fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor to enter a new fingerprint. Set a name for the new fingerprint and then tap on Save. Your fingerprint has been added successfully. NFC technology enables any RFID card to be used as a key for Atomberg SL1. To add an NFC card, first go to Settings, click on NFC Cards, then click on Add. Place your NFC card on the sensor. Set the name for the new NFC card and tap on Save. The NFC card has been added successfully. To add new family members to your family, click on Manage Family. Then select your family. You can view the current members and below them the Add Members option. Click on Add Members. A QR code will be displayed. This code is valid only for 15 minutes, within which the new members must join the family. The QR code displays a link. Click on it to go to the Join Family in the Atomberg app option. Click on Join Family. This operation takes a few seconds to complete. Click on New Home added in the Manage Family tab to view all the new members. Moving on to the History section. On this smart lock, you can view the last 500 activities performed. To do so, click on Smart Lock Device, click on History. The last 500 activities will be visible. Here are the steps to rename and delete your smart lock. Go to Settings, click on More. The rename and delete options are available. Click on Rename and set the name. The lock has now been renamed successfully. Click on Delete. The pop-up will ask for confirmation. Select Yes or No to complete the operation. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Atomberg SL1. Welcome to the future of locks.